Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Rheem air conditioner and where to find the reset button if your model has one. So first of all, you need to start by locating the outdoor condenser unit, which is going to be this unit, and it will be installed something like this. Now on most of the Rheem central air conditioners don't have a dedicated reset button, but some of the older models include a small red reset button behind the service panel near the control compartment. So if your unit has a reset button, if you are able to find it over here somewhere, you just have to simply press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds and then simply release it. But if you can't find a reset button, you just have to simply turn your thermostat off first. Then you just have to also switch off your AC at the outdoor disconnect box or the circuit breaker. Then you just have to leave the system powered off for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And then you just have to simply wait for this time period. And after that, you just have to switch everything on. First of all, you just have to turn on the thermostat and then you just have to switch it on. Now after powering it on, you just have to wait for further 1 to 2 minutes for the central board to basically initialize before the basically operating the system. And you need to also make sure that the AC is also set on the cool mode. So that's how you can basically reset it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.